part that you guys came for. This is the most important tip. This is the secret ingredient. What is it, YouTube? What's good? It's razzaq here, and I'm back with another one. In this video, y'all, let me start off this video by saying shout out to the live niggas, bro. All my niggas that be on IG live, when be tuning into my lives, watching my lives. I'll be on IG live almost every day. So if you're not already following me on IG, make sure you follow me on IG right now. We're gonna have a giveaway at 1,000 followers on IG. I've been telling y'all this for a while, but y'all act like y'all don't want the giveaway. So shoot, I mean, it's not me. I don't care. It's not me. But y'all go follow me on IG. Yesterday on the live, I told the live boys that I was finna do my little skincare routine. It's like my third time recording it, bro. It just never comes out right. First thing in the morning, I just woke up, bro. A nigga is still in bed. God, I just woke up. We're gonna get into the skincare routine. It's nice and simple. I only got a few products. They're not too expensive neither, so we're gonna keep it on the cheap side. So let's just run the intro, and I'll show y'all my secrets to clear skin after that.
One day, I'ma have it one day. And I'm just tryna count up the cake. Tryna scoot off in the race. Fuck niggas stay in your place. Yeah. Me and my niggas don't play. You hate on my drip every day, but I'm still gon' make a way. Yeah.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna hop right into it. And first things first, I'm just gonna show y'all the products that I use to get my skin right, alright? But after I show y'all the products, make sure you don't leave the video. You need to know how to use them. You gotta use these products in a very specific way or they won't work. I'm telling you, you gotta watch the whole video, man. I'm not bullshitting. You gotta watch the whole video, for real. First product that we have here is a little secret thing, you feel me? This right here is African black soap. And this right here is heaven in a jar, bro. My mom's gave me this. We got this straight from Nigeria, but I know you can find this whole, like, you know, beauty supply stores. They got like Shea Moisture got their own black soap, so you can call some of that. My next go-to is this Biore charcoal face wash. All right, Biore charcoal face wash. It's enough said. Y'all get the gist. My camera's finna die. Let me pop this home on the charger real quick, and I'll come back. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know where I left off, bro. I think I left off on the Biore. So if we left off on the Biore, I'm gonna get right into this witch hazel. First things first, let me give a shout out to my girl, cause she definitely put me on this witch hazel shit. You get a cotton ball and you put yo, what am I telling y'all? Nah. You have to watch the video to find out how to use this. But this shit right here will literally clear the dirt off your skin, bro. Like the dirt, you'll see the dirt, bro. Like nah. But you gotta watch the whole video to find out how I do that shit, bro. I can't lie. You gotta watch the whole thing. Next up, we got this aloe vera gel. But y'all know that like me and aloe vera gel are like married basically. I use aloe vera gel for my hair. I use aloe vera gel for a lot of shit. I use this whole lotion sometimes, nigga. I put this bitch on my skin and made my skin clear up. Aloe vera is just cold, like simple. The first step of this process, I'm just gonna get right into it, is to wash your face. You can either use this African black soap, which is what I use. This is my go-to. The African black soap works wonders. They got it at the store, they got it online, they got it at beauty supply stores. You can find some black soap. But if you can't, they definitely got this hoe. At Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, wherever the hell you buy stuff from, they definitely got some of these. I'ma use that, you can use that. It really don't matter. To be honest, this hoe work better. I'm not gonna lie to you. The black soap works a lot better. But if you don't got that hoe, then it don't matter. If you're using this, first thing you want to do is put this on your finger and just start. You dry wash. Do not wet your hair before you wash it. That's just putting an extra layer of water in between the dirt and like what? That's stupid. The only reason I put in water now is because this soap is hard. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water inside that hoe. You feel me? I don't know if y'all can see. Put a little bit in that hoe. And now I'm gonna scoop some. Simple as that. It's a 1-2 simple process, you feel me? The sun is really beaming on me right now. I'm sorry. I don't know if it looked good though, so I'm gonna leave it. Once we got some, we gonna start, you feel me? Nah, I got your dumb ass stuff. First thing I'm gonna do is pull my hair up, because I really don't like getting soap and shit in my hair. If I use black soap, then I will wet my face, just because it won't spread unless I do. You got the black soap, go ahead and wet your face. I'm doing this shit on my bed, like, I just show you how simple this is, bro. But after you get your face wet, the soap should just start to, like, get on your skin, you feel me? I see my new brush. I do shit every morning, bro. Every morning you have to skin, bro. And this is the thing with a lot of you. You only wash your face in the morning. Like, I only wash my face in the morning, but that's because I have good skin. If your skin is not good, make sure you're washing your face morning and nighttime, bro. Morning and nighttime washing is important. Before you go to bed, right when you wake up, right, that's when you need to be washing it. But like, you know, you go outside and hoop, you need to wash your face, bro. Like, that shit is dirty. Come on, think about it. Like, what if bitches are kissing on you and like you have salty cheeks? Pause. Hey, yo! I don't even know how to do things. Y'all see my hair glowing in the sun, nigga? Massage it, you feel me? Massage your skin. I'm finna go rinse this hoe off in the bathroom. I will be right back. All I'm doing is getting water and rinsing off my face. Simple. I'll be back after I rinse the hoe off, but give me a second. Alright, y'all, I'm back. And as you can see, my face is wet. I came back with my face wet, I need to show y'all a very important tip. To be honest with you, I don't know how important it is. My girlfriend told me that you're just supposed to tap your face dry. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't know what it does. I don't even know if the hoe really like work. But her skin perfect, my skin perfect. So, you know, I guess you should listen to me. When you finish washing your face, you want to make sure that hoe is completely dry, bro. You want to make sure that hoe is completely dry. And in case you're wondering, I'm using a t-shirt because I don't fuck with towels. Don't fuck with towels. Towels be ripping our hair, and you feel me? A nigga got the little beard coming in. I can't afford to risk it. Now I'm gonna show you how to use that magical witch hazel I was talking about. This is the part that you guys came for. This is the most important tip. It's the secret ingredient. It's the secret ingredient to getting perfect skin, bro. I'm telling you right now. You gonna take your witch hazel, pop that bit open. Once I got that all open, what I do is I give me a little, you feel me? I give me a little cotton ball. You know? Once you get your cotton ball, what you want to do is put the witch hazel onto the cotton ball. Oh, I put that on my bed. That's tough. I don't know if you could tell, but this hoe is not like super wet or nothing, but it's a good amount of saturation. I'm sorry if my nails are disgusting, but all you do now is dab it around your face, bro. Dab it around your face. I say get it spread out, and then go to your problem areas. My problem area for me, my nose. Your problem area is just the area that you got the most problems in case you ain't know. Cause I know some people don't know stuff. My forehead, my problem area, my nose, my cheeks. And that's what I do. You rub the witch hazel on your problem areas. It's gonna cleanse the remaining dirt that is on your skin. You know. This right here, I know I probably look like a goofball, but it don't matter, bro. It's for y'all. This is for y'all. Y'all see the gold locks glowing, nigga? This is why I fuck with the sun. But the last and final step, bro, is to use the aloe vera gel. You use aloe vera gel to moisturize your skin. Simply put, you get that bit in your hand, you put some in your hand. Y'all see how much I got? It wasn't too much. It wasn't too much. You don't need to do too much, bro. I promise you don't. You rub that bit, and you just hit that. That's simple. We just got the aloe vera gel. I can't lie. I already put it on my skin, so it seemed like that's the whole video to me. But I just wanted to come back and finish it off because, you know, I gotta finish it off nice and smoothly for y'all. This has been a nice smooth video, I think. Shouldn't take me too long to edit, but shit, we gonna see. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, sub. You feel me? Support the boy. Go follow the Patreon, even though I know nobody gonna do that. Follow me on IG, follow me on Twitter. You know, all that good stuff. And without any further ado, man, y'all boys take it easy. Y'all boys take it easy. And y'all boys take it easy.
I'm tripped out. I'm flipped out. I'm buzzed out. Can you get high now? I'm tripped out. I'm flipped out. I'm buzzed out. Can you get high now? Look around at the different faces in a new city, and I'm getting